Well, first up, the Venture Capital Trust Fund is targeting youth empowerment in the next 2 years to support government's initiatives aimed at reducing growing youth unemployment. The fund is expected to inject about $45 million through fund management firms in support of youth innovation and entrepreneurship. Chief Executive of the Venture Capital Trust Fund, Yao Owusu-Brempong, disclosed this to JoyBusiness after launching the Ghana Venture Capital and Private Equity Association in Accra. Growing unemployment has been a concern for government in the past few years due to the security implications. Supporting startups and young entrepreneurs is expected to be high on the agenda of the Venture Capital Trust Fund, with a $45 million fund from the World Bank. According to Chief Executive Yao Owusu-Brempong, the processes will begin by the close of the year.
Venture capital can actually partner with a lot of fund managers to fund startup companies so that we can actually create a lot of entrepreneurs in the country. Fortunately for us, the Ministry of Finance has put us on the Ghana Economic Transformation Program, a program that is going to actually give us about 45 million USD that we are going to invest over the next 4 or 5 years. There are a lot more that will be coming in addition to the 45 million. Once we start accessing those funds, we are going to create a lot of funds in the area of youth entrepreneurship, women in entrepreneurship, and then even disabled or people with physical disability in entrepreneurship. So there are a lot more in the pipeline, and we believe the future is going to be bright for venture capital and for entrepreneurs and fund managers as well.
Launching the association, Head of Financial Services at the Ministry of Finance, Samson Akligo, described it as timely and urged members to remain committed to the operations of the capital market.
That the launch of this association is very timely and reflects the real values and essence of what we need to grow our country. The figure from the SEC and from the Bank of Ghana tells us that in practice we are way behind what we should be. When you look at the data that we have, and it's quite revealing, pension funds today, because of the reform that we have done, are just about 5% of GDP. We all know, unfortunately, the precursor to the development of venture capital and private equity funds, which are the collective investment scheme, the basic ones, that's just about 0.7% of GDP.
The Ghana Venture Capital and Private Equity Association is a private sector-led initiative that is open to all private equity and venture capital firms operating in Ghana.